I want to make a quick video on my grow light station, and this is real life. This is how I do it. I got a large area from here to here. You want to have where you can adjust these lights up and down because you want them about that height. These are LED lights here, and right beside there, don't have to put, but I've got a thermostat that's set on 62. Got an infrared thermometer, so we'll know what the temperature is at the level. So on this one here, we'll pull this out, shoot it in the middle, and it's showing 77. So just having these lights on does increase it about 5 degrees right in this spot here. Over here, we'll take these out, shoot it in the middle of it, said 72. It's maybe some of the, it's going to vary a little bit. Now on this one, I've got fluorescent lights. I don't have a way to, I'm going to have to use some zip ties so I can move it up and down because the straps doesn't work as well on this one. But just so you'll know, since it's LED, we shoot in the middle of these, 87. So the middle of this is 87. You also have to watch out because these are starting to dry out pretty quick. So it's 87 degrees, which is really where you kind of want it for seed germination, which is why I have these on my peppers. And it's still showing 87. This one here, which is a little bit different, you see, shoot in the middle of it, 84. Still okay. Go down to here, 64 degrees. There's 20 degrees difference between here and here. It's 20 degrees colder. So these seeds down here is not going to germinate as fast. Now these are tomato seeds. I'm still going to probably turn the lights on. I don't have the lights set up down here. But just so you see the difference. Now I do like to go ahead and have my lights on regardless, because if these pepper seeds sprout, and let's say they sprout at 3 o'clock or this afternoon, well, I can still give them 6 more hours of light. If they sprout at 3 o'clock and you don't have the lights on, you got to go all night long into the next day. You can start getting leggy plants with just that little bit. So I always like to have lights on for 2 reasons. One, to give me some heat for my seedlings, and also so if the seedlings do come up during the day, if I had to go off to work in the morning and nothing was seeded out, don't turn on the lights, and you come in that night and they've seeded out, well, they still got to go another 12 hours before you get any lights. I guess you could turn them on and let them go all night, but you didn't kind of have that problem. I do like these because this way the infrared thermometer will give you what the temperature is on there. It is on the surface, but it should be pretty close down because the seeds are right there on the surface also. So I would recommend just getting some regular shop lights. I mean, this is the one I bought. It's just LED shop lights. Nothing fancy, no grow lights, no nothing. They work fine because all you're doing is seedlings. And the other thing I would do, if it gets above 50 degrees and I'm home, which now I'm retired, I'm going to be home, I'll take this thing here and I just set it outside and let it get some natural sunlight. So that'll help it also. You want it to be above 50 degrees because you don't want to stunt the plants, but that way they'll be already hardened off once you get ready to plant them. Now, you got to do that early because if I would have never set these out and I set them out like this, they will burn, the sun will burn those plants. But if I set them out, I've been setting these out at this, probably a little bit younger than this stage, and then they'll be fine. There's no problem with them. The sun burn them. I haven't had any problem this year, and I've set them out all day long on a sunny day. But you got to get them early because once these leaves get bigger to that size, then they are subject to being burned because they're not used to that much sunlight, and they have to graduate. It's just like us getting sunburned. But anyway, that's how I do it. I'm gonna have to raise these. And it does surprise me that there's 20 degrees difference between here and there, but there is. So thanks for watching, and like I say, get you one of these little infrared thermometers. That way you know what your soil temperature is. Thank you.